66 million years ago, Earth looked very different. The continents were not the same. The climate was warmer, and dinosaurs ruled the planet. They had survived for over 160 million years. Nothing had ever wiped them out. Until one day, something arrived from space. Far beyond Earth's orbit, a massive asteroid was already moving toward the inner solar system. It was not glowing. It was not dramatic. Just a dark object, silent, unstoppable. Scientists estimate it was about 10 to 15 kilometers wide. That may not sound large, but compared to a city, it was enormous. Compared to anything Earth had ever faced, it was catastrophic. As the asteroid approached Earth, it was traveling faster than 20 kilometers per second. That's more than 20 times faster than a rifle bullet. There was no warning, no sound, no chance to escape. When it entered Earth's atmosphere, the air in front of it compressed violently. Temperatures instantly reached thousands of degrees. But the asteroid didn't slow down. In just seconds, it struck what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in modern-day Mexico. The impact released more energy than billions of nuclear bombs combined. The ground vaporized instantly. Rock melted. The crust of the Earth behaved like liquid. A crater nearly 200 kilometers wide formed in moments. Shock waves rippled through the planet. Earthquakes stronger than anything ever recorded shook the entire globe. But the impact itself was only the beginning. Within minutes, massive tsunamis raced across the oceans. Waves hundreds of meters high slammed into coastlines worldwide. Forests were flattened. Entire ecosystems disappeared in hours. Then came the heat. Molten debris blasted into the atmosphere and fell back down across the planet. As it re-entered, it heated the air so intensely that global wildfires ignited almost everywhere at once. For hours, possibly days, the surface of Earth burned. Anything exposed died. Plants, animals, entire food chains. But the most devastating effect was still coming. Dust, ash, and sulfur were thrown high into the atmosphere. So much that sunlight could no longer reach the surface. Day turned into darkness. Temperatures dropped rapidly. Photosynthesis stopped. Plants died. Herbivores starved. Carnivores followed. This wasn't a single moment of destruction. It was a slow collapse. Weeks turned into months. Months into years. Earth entered what scientists call an impact winter. For decades, the planet remained cold, dark, and hostile. More than 75% of all species went extinct. Every non-avian dinosaur disappeared. Creatures that once dominated the planet were gone forever. Not because they were weak, but because no life on Earth was prepared for what happened next. And yet, some survived. Small mammals, burrowing animals, creatures that could hide, adapt, and endure long periods without food. Their survival reshaped the future of life on Earth. Without the asteroid, mammals might never have risen to dominance. Humans might never have existed. All of this changed in a matter of minutes. A single object from space. A single impact. One moment that rewrote the history of the planet. This wasn't the largest asteroid in the solar system, but it was the most important one Earth ever encountered, because it proved a terrifying truth. Life on Earth is not destroyed slowly. Sometimes, it ends in seconds.